A really helpful feature in Power Query is its ability to pivot and unpivot data. Let's have a look at the query Sales by Region. What I'd like to do here is select the year 2020 and hold the Shift key and click 2022 to select all these three columns. I now want to go to the Transform tab and I want to unpivot this data. If I unpivot, then the columns will change, and you'll see I've now got the years in this column and the values in this column because I've effectively unpivoted that data. I can click on the column heading Attribute, press F2 and call this year, and I can click on the column heading Value, press F2 and call this Sales. So I've unpivoted the data. But what if I want to do the opposite? What if I actually do want to pivot the data? Then what I'd like to do here is click on the year column, go to Transform in the ribbon, and tell it that I want to pivot this column. I want to pivot the year, but I want to show as my values the sales. So the values become sales and my year becomes column as soon as I go OK. And I've effectively repivoted that data. Pivot and unpivot, very useful features.